Ever wondered how businesses know when they'll start making a profit? Let's break down break-even analysis in 2 minutes. Break-even analysis is a key tool in business that helps determine the point at which total revenue equals total costs. It's the moment when a business starts making a profit. Break-even analysis calculates the number of units you need to sell to cover all your costs. It's a crucial tool for pricing and planning. For example, if your fixed costs are $1,000, your selling price per unit is $10, and your variable cost per unit is $6, your break-even point would be 250 units. Break-even analysis is important because it helps businesses set sales targets, price products, and plan for profitability. It's a key part of any business plan. Imagine you're launching a new product. Break-even analysis helps you understand how many units you need to sell to cover your costs and start making a profit. Here's how to calculate the break-even point. First, identify your fixed costs. Then determine your selling price per unit and variable cost per unit. Finally, use the break-even formula to find the number of units you need to sell. Let's say your fixed costs are $2,000, your selling price per unit is $20, and your variable cost per unit is $10. The break-even point would be 2,000 divided by 10, which equals 200 units. So, break-even analysis is a vital tool for understanding your business's financial health. It helps you set goals, price products, and plan for profitability. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topic I should cover next.